Hi and welcome to another edition of NOFOMO's completely biased campsite review. Today we are in the Goethe State Forest in Florida, about 100 miles north of Tampa. And yeah, someone who's born and raised in Germany, we obviously were thrilled that Florida has a state forest to honor one of the major writers and poets in Germany. Unfortunately, we found out that it wasn't dedicated after Johann Wolfgang Goethe, but after a gentleman here called Goethe that sold the land to the state when they turned it into a state park. But nonetheless, we are on campsite number 1 out of 5 tent sites that are here. So the sites are, tent only, technically, so don't expect something big. Anything bigger than I think our Unimog, you'll be hard pressed to stay, any Sprinter or something like that, even the long version, you'll find your spot there. So the tent sites have firing, they have the tent kind of enclosure or a flat space where you can put up your tent, picnic bench and grill. They're all pretty much the same. They're all here along this road, nicely spaced out, and additionally, because it's COVID, the state of Florida has decided only to rent out every other one, so only the odd numbered sites, 3 out of 5 are available. The even ones, 2 and 4, are left potentially free, so more buffer space, even though that's really not needed, but we appreciate it nonetheless. Last night all 3 were booked, but tonight we are all by ourselves. The cost for the site is slightly over $9 plus fee, so it's pretty simple, and you reserve it through Reserve America. You can come here and then reserve it on the spot or reserve it earlier if for any reason you run out of space. This is also close to an equestrian campsite, so over there that field you see, you can do a horse camping with your trailer and horse for $10, just walk in, or I'm sure when you can also camp there without a horse, so horse optional. There is no drinking water here. There is water, but not it says for human consumption, whatever that means, but I think for washing up or some light cleaning it might do. And there's actually toilets. I think they're flushing. I haven't checked that out yet because we obviously have our own. And then I think there's a pit toilet over there, so plenty of facilities. There are 3 different hiking loops with variations between, let's say, 2 miles and 14.7 miles that you can choose from here in this state forest. You do hear the main road a little bit during the day because there's log trucks and they're obviously loud, but loud meaning, as you can see here, sometimes you can hear the humming of a car. At night it's super quiet. So I think for price to value, this one is pretty okay. We were happy here. Once a day the maintenance guy came by, was friendly, everything good, so thumbs up. So if you like my little video or a little video about the campsite review, press like, subscribe to us if you haven't already, and then follow us on our travels across the US and eventually around the world.